Hey everyone, it's Greg with OctoClean Media. Today I want to talk to you about something that can seriously change the way your teams clean, especially if you're all about efficiency and ergonomics like we are. And again, this video is sponsored by our good friends over at ProTeam, so go check them out. We've tested a lot of equipment over the years, but there's one reason that we keep coming back to ProTeam. Today we're breaking down two of their best-selling tools, the Xover Multi-Surface Toolkit and the ProBlade Combo, paired with one of my personal favorites, the Go-Fit 6 cordless backpack vacuum. Both of these kits include 17-inch crevice tool, perfect for deep cleaning around corners and in tight spaces, 3-inch dusting brush, gently removes dust and allergens from blinds, lamps, shades, and other delicate surfaces, 5-inch upholstery tool, an all-purpose tool ideal for seating areas. Let's start with the Xover Toolkit. This thing's a beast when it comes to daily cleaning. It glides from carpet to floors without missing a beat, which means fewer tool changes and faster jobs. It's designed for high efficiency teams who need to move fast without sacrificing quality. If you're cleaning buildings with mixed surfaces such as carpet and tile, whether it be office buildings, schools, or medical, you'll want this in your arsenal. The kit includes a 14-inch Xover floor tool, all-in-one tool for low pile carpets and hard surfaces, telescoping wand, adjustable height for maximum comfort. Next up is the ProBlade Combo Kit. Now this kit is perfect if you're all about ergonomics and detail. The low profile design gets you under furniture and into corners without forcing your team into awkward angles. Paired with a flexible wand system and swivel head, the ProBlade is ideal for detailed cleans or tight spaces. Bonus, it looks cool, but more importantly, it helps reduce fatigue over long shifts. So I want to take this opportunity to explain to you the different vacuuming motion I use when I'm using my ProBlade tool. So if you notice, the ProBlade tool, I'm standing a little bit more upright. I'm not reaching out to vacuum. I'm keeping my vacuum tool, ProBlade, pretty much up and down, keeping my arm close to my body. And as I'm vacuuming, I can use my bottom hand to maneuver where the blade is going. And as if you've seen from the other cuts in this video, this is a very handy tool to get into those little crevice areas, like in between, let's say, a refrigerator, or in between cubicles, under chairs, that little area where the baseboard meets the wall. This is a very handy tool. That being said, this tool is very good for large areas. Now, large areas, if I'm pushing back and forth, I can have a lot of fatigue on my back. By leaning over, to have a tendency to pull back. By keeping that upright motion, you alleviate the fatigue on your back, which allows you to work for a longer period of time without having to take breaks. Well, let's get back to vacuuming. Both of these kits pair perfectly with the Go-Fit 6 cordless backpack vacuum. It's compact, powerful, and most importantly, comfortable. The harness is fully adjustable and the weight distribution is so much better than the older models we've used. This thing is made for all-day wear. You've got strong suction, HEPA media filtration, and easy tool swaps with the Xover or ProBlade setups. It's a complete system. Whether you're outfitting a new crew or upgrading your current setup, these ProTeam tools are 100% worth checking out. At OctoClean, we use what works, and this stuff works. Big thanks to ProTeam for sponsoring today's video. If you want to learn more or see these tools in action, check out the link in the description below. Until next time, keep it clean.